Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate a T-Mobile International Pass in 2026. So if you are traveling abroad and you want the data, calls and the texts without any crazy roaming charges, this quick guide will help you set it up correctly. So first of all, you need to open your T-Mobile application on your phone. Afterwards, you need to sign in your account. Make sure that you are logged into the correct line if you manage multiple numbers. So once you are inside the application, you just have to click on the three dots on the top left hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you need to go to the account section or in the manage plan section. So over here, you need to look for the option of the international data pass, as you can see in this particular screenshot. So when you are able to find the plan, you just have to simply select it. After selecting it, you just have to press next in the bottom. On the next page, you will see different pass options based on the duration and the data limits. So select the pass that fits to your trip. So after selecting it, you just have to add the pass and activate it. So confirm your selection and the international pass usually activates immediately or at the start of your next billing cycle, depending on the option that you see. So once you have successfully purchased it and activated it, you can check your plan's details inside the application. You should see the international pass listed under your active services. Before using this pass overseas, make sure that you restart your phone first. So this is going to refresh the network connection and it also ensures roaming services work correctly. So this is how you can do it very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.